My name is Haru. Welcome to our channel. So today I am going to prank my girlfriend Elena. By the way, if you didn't know, Elena, she's my Indian girlfriend and we are an LDR couple. Our relationship began last year, August. We haven't met yet and I'm a Filipino, but we're planning to meet this year. I'm going to prank her by telling her that I won't be able to talk to her until we meet because I just moved into this new place where I don't have an access to the internet. So let's see what's gonna be her reaction. I'm excited and kind of nervous, alright?
Yeah, when are we gonna talk?
I wanted to tell you that from now on, we can't talk in the morning, before your school, or late night, because
When?
I don't have internet.
Internet, yeah.
You know, I just moved here, right? This is a new accommodation.
Yeah.
So, is that okay to you? I'm only able to talk to you during my time at work, during breaks, because you know there's a free Wi-Fi in there. How do you feel about it? Don't cover, babe. I'm not gonna see you, so you better show yourself. Maybe this is the last time I'm gonna see you at this time.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Babe, lower down. I can't see your face.
You can.
Are you gonna cry?
No.
Don't cover up. Don't cover up. I miss the time. I miss your crying. Like I miss your cry.
No.
You're crying like when you're about to cry, just like
No, I don't feel like that.
that's how
like
you
that.
cry. And when you're really crying, you're crying hard, you're like
No. I'm not like that. I'm not.
babe, it's really sad, you know? We can't talk late night or 1 a.m., 2 a.m. I'm gonna miss that. That's the only time we can do our thing, you know?
Yeah.
Come on, man. What am I gonna do?
Don't know.
You're gonna cry?
I'm not crying.
That's how you cry. She's gonna cry. Huh, she's gonna cry.
I'm not gonna cry.
Yeah, until we meet, it will be like this. I'm sorry.
Until we meet?
Yeah. It's just 2 months if I'm going to like.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Hey, come here. Babe. Let me see you. Our last day.
Don't say that.
Our last time we're gonna see each other at these times.
Don't say.
Come on, show yourself. Now you're crying.
Not.
See? That's how you cry.
Not crying.
And another thing, another important thing you should know. It's much worse than not being able to talk. Are you gonna miss me?
No.
Are you
I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
Are you gonna wake up late night, like maybe you're like we're supposed to be talking? Yeah, there's another thing. You need to know this. Your hand. Okay.
Yeah.
Babe, the wires.
God. Yeah.
And the blanket.
Yeah.
I'm not saying the.
Yeah, okay.
Are you ready? It's a prank.
You stop it. Babe, I'm not liking this prank. I'm not prank. I don't like this.
It's a prank.
I mean, don't.
It's a prank.
Fuck. It's not like you. I hate you.
No, I'm not kidding. Seriously. So how are we gonna handle this?
Oh God. I don't know. You do what you want.
So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to say something, just make a comment. Alright? See you on our next video. Thank you for watching. You know? Kamusta? Ako eto. Ayos naman. Naglalakad, pauwi, galing trabaho. But ganito itsura ko. Obvious naman kasi sobrang lamig. Nga pala, 1 linggo na lang may kikita na kami ni Dalagang Indiana. 1 linggo na lang ipapalagi ko rito sa Saudi. Oh, pupunta muna ako kay Indiana tapos babalik na ako ng Pinas. Lapit lang naman yung bahay ko sa pinapasukan ko, kaya ayos lang maglakad. Hi babe, it's just about a week and finally I will come over to see you. I hope you're doing great. I hope, just as planned, we're gonna have fun together. I hope it will all go well for us. I'm really excited to see you. I'm close to my accommodation. Alright. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hi, babe. 5 days to go, or maybe 4. I don't know. Here's me. I just got out from my work. Huh? Now I'm walking home. I'm really excited. I hope tomorrow I'll know. I'll know what's my departure date is gonna be. I'm close to my dorm. Take care of yourself, alright? I miss you and I love you, and yeah, it's really a few days to go. And it's happening, babe. After 16 months, it's happening. Why am I looking like this right now? Because it's really cold here outside, and see, I'm using slippers because the road is wet. Don't worry, I'm being careful here. I'm walking along, but I'm alert. I'm close to home, alright? I love you and I miss you so much. Bye-bye.